a croissant, a big sandwich, a biscuit. All these things are made great by their layers. But does it apply to anything? Do layers make things properly good?
I had a croissant once and it consisted of at least 5 layers and it was pretty good, so yeah.
But anyway, we have a 50-layer potato pave. This can be slightly time-consuming, but it's quite simple to make.
Let's try to make Daddy Joshua's potato pave today. I guess we need potatoes for this dish, so I came prepared.
Peel 8 pounds or 38 kilograms of russet potatoes.
Peel an arbitrary amount of whatever potatoes I still had lying around in my basement.
And slice them about 1/16 of an inch thick on a finger death trap, also known as a mandolin.
Guillotine off your fingers and additionally cut the potatoes into thin slices.
Toss those in a heaping 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of melted duck fat.
I always have duck fat available in my freezer, so I can actually use some for this recipe too.
Grease a deep pan such as a 3rd hotel pan. You can also get those on Amazon, link in the description for that, or you can use a large deep bread pan.
I don't feel like greasing the mold, so I'll skip right to the next step.
Line that bad boy with parchment, add 1 layer of sliced potato boys, lightly brush with additional duck fat, and repeat that exact process until you reach a total of 50 layers.
I'll lay out the potato slices and coat every layer with additional duck fat.
Be sure to season each layer lightly with salt as well, unless you want it to be totally unsalted.
Oh, I really pray to God that I do not oversalt this dish. I've maxed out 19 layers in total and this took about 20 minutes to do, but I'm really satisfied with how it looks.
Now, once you have your stack, cover with foil and pop in a 300-degree Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius oven for 1 to 2 hours.
Covering it with foil, I put my starchy son to sleep at 150 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours.
Remove the foil, place another bread pan or a 3rd pan on top, and then you can use tomato sauce cans, whatever, to weigh it down.
That smells really good. The channel is not monetized yet, so I can't afford another hotel pan. I'll use my nicer dicer instead and weigh it down with my Dutch oven.
Place in the fridge and press overnight.
This bitch too large for my fridge. It's winter here anyway, so I'll press it outside overnight.
The next day, pop it out. Cut into 1-inch thick slices.
Next day, the pave refuses to pop out. Damn son, look at these layers. Cutting it into thin slices.
Cut each of those slices into 2 evenly sized rectangles.
Trimming my taters into small cuboids.
Large pan over medium-high, add just enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan.
Large sticky pan, oil in.
And then carefully add your chilled potato pave to the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown.
All of my cuboids in, searing each side until golden brown.
Carefully scrape underneath with a thin spatula and flip to repeat on the other side.
Carefully notice that you fucked up and that the use of a non-stick pan would have been heaps better. Let me fix this real quick. Better. I'll top those crunchy fellas off with some herby creme fraiche. Now would you look at that? They are beautiful. Here's also a bit of ASMR. Now let's give it a taste and rate it 6 through 9. What a beautiful texture. It's like you are biting through a ton of potato chips at a time, but you also get the soft core of a baked potato as an added bonus. Truly one of the potato dishes I have ever eaten. 8.169 out of 9. Highly recommend, and this was definitely not the last time that I've made a pave at home. That's about it. See ya.